Today, I'm extremely delighted to introduce a multifaceted person with a very high positive attitude towards life. A public policy administrator, social activist, dynamic communicator, strategic thinker, and a great human being. So it is no wonder that such a person was declared aptly the winner of the crown of Mrs. Congeniality at VG Mrs. India 2019. She is none other than Mrs. Arpita Srivatsava Rai, one of the pillar of our Atmanirbhar initiative. Arpita ji is a public policy personal with a degree in human resource and political science, and her work areas include service industry, NGOs, and corporates. She has over 2 decades of experience of working at CXO levels with exposure of top corporates like Taj Group of Hotels, Wokat, Akshapura, Manikam, Navneet, to name a few. A team player with a penchant for leading from the front, Arpita is also a specialist in government and public sector coordination. She was instrumental in creating long-lasting relationship in such enterprises to bring the right social outcomes for the sake of community growth. Arpita is also the co-founder of MindCube Multi-Services Private Limited, which is involved in offering consultancy focused on working with socially conscious organizations to help them expand their impact through government tie-ups and community collaboration. Some of its key consultancies include enabling geographical outreach and tie-up with government health facilitators for Raju Vasa Foundation, assisting Talenage India to tie up with educational institutes to offer high-quality, cost-effective education, aiding Social Center for Rural Initiative and Advancement in meeting the approval requirement of various government ministries, helping Navneet Foundation in their outreach to government schools in Mumbai, and to connect Wokat Foundation with government and PSU bodies for fulfilling their funding requirements. For her extraordinary contribution in the field of social work, Arpita ji was honored with the Bharat Shri Award recently by Human Welfare Council. I would also like to mention here her contribution towards our Atmanirbhar webinar series. Apart from this session, every day she is ready with a poem and a quote for the day, which is very relevant to the topic of the day. She also summarizes the discussion in a very lucid form for the benefit of all. On behalf of our Atmanirbhar team, I am highly glad to welcome Mrs. Arpita Srivatsava Rai for today's webinar and hand over the WebEx floor to her. Welcome, Arpita ji. We are waiting to hear from you. And we IT team to play the intro video of our beloved Arpita ji.
Being internally strong and beautiful needs to be explored and celebrated. Hi, this is Arpita Srivastav Rai, a CSR professional and a social worker by profession, having 19 years of experience in hand. A graduate from BHU from Political Science Honors and MBA in HR from Mumbai University. I started my career with the service industry working for Taj Group of Hotels, and then entered the corporate world working for Wokhad and Ashapura Mine Camp, and finally landed into the social sector working for NGOs, having 19 years of experience in hand. My philosophy of life is a life of giving is the worth life living. My goal in life is to serve and help the underprivileged section of the society. Delighted to share some of my achievements being recognized and appreciated. Fortunate to have a very supportive and a loving life partner, Mr. Satish Rai, and blessed with a son, Mrinal Rai. My journey of Mrs. India started by winning the title of Mrs. Congeniality at Vijayanagar Global Mrs. India 2019. Proud to be the finalist for the International Glamour Project Mrs. India 2020. Excited to represent India on the international platform. Thrilled to experience the beauty of the gut glamour glory. Thanks, Gayatri ji, and a very good evening to all the viewers. Well, in order to be irrepressible, one has to be different and unique. And that's why, as a resource person, I thought to let you know about the personality, wellness, and beauty. And that's why I'm over here to present the presentation. So, IT team, please go ahead, please. Next, please. So here I am highlighting all these three topics, and then I will also going to tell you how you can turn all these things to be Atmanirbhar also. Next, please. So first topic that I am taking is the personality development. So you are not only, hi, can you hear me?
We can hear you. Please continue.
Okay. So you're not only born for the development of the society, but also for the development of yourself. Next, please. So what is personality? The first thing comes to your mind. Does personality means famous people? Do you mean that only the famous people have that personality? So what do you mean by development? Next, please. So, personality. Personality is particularly a combination of emotions, attitudinal, and behavior response patterns of an individual. So, and development is an ongoing process. So, personality is what we perceive in our mind, what is inside, the thoughts and the conflict inside contributes greatly to our physical appearance. So I would like to tell our viewers that there is a certain image that we hold for ourselves, and that is what is projected outside. So personality is what you are and what is your identity. So why personality development is important? For that, you need some certain traits, a personality trait. They are largely inborn, but also can be shaped by the circumstances. So what are the factors? It could be outer and inner, psychological and sociological. So in that pattern, I would also like to tell you that the need to develop our personality in line with people, place, and time underlines the importance of the personality development. And I would also like to tell you that looking into this, it's very important for us to know what kind of personality exists. So there are a number of theories, whether you say it's a Maslow hierarchy of needs or the Fredda's theory, but commonly I can categorize that there are 5 kinds of personalities: extroverted, introverted, ambivert, positive, and negative. So the need of the development of your personality in line with people is to know the importance. So there are some factors which are responsible for the personality development, which are emotional, physical, and social. Next, please. So physical. So what are the factors that contributes to the physical development? Well, it's pleasing personality, the grooming, the positive body, language, and the positive image. Well, I must say that in today's world, grooming has become a very important part, which actually covers the attire and the way you carry yourself. So that's the physical thing. Now, when it comes to the mental, it's like the overcoming of your fear, the failures. And how can you achieve that? By being positive. So please come out of your comfort zone and push little hard, because as you know, बिना मेहनत किए कोई भी फल नहीं मिलता है. The next slide, please. So what's the emotional part of the personality development? What are the factors that are important for it? Well, they are self-confidence, high self-esteem, leadership skills one needs to have, and the most important, what I feel, is the problem-solving skills and the way you manage in today's world with the stress management. Because we are in a world where we have to be multifaceted, and for that, you need to know how to manage the stress. Now, the social sector. Now, in the social sector, if you need to make your presence, the very important thing is how you're going to do that with the good communication skill. So, you should know how to talk to a people, you should know how to deal with them, and for that, you also need to know what are the social etiquettes that you need to carry to mingle up with your society. Next, please. So, as I said, that how good personality develop a person, for that there has to be an approach. So what kind of approach you need to have? You need to decide on a goal setting, time management, communication skills, and a leadership qualities. And what makes a good personality? For that, what you need is self-confidence, positive thinking, learning from failures, and self-reliance and selfless service. And once you attain all these personal traits, then you can have and you can become an Atmanirbhar by this professional attributes. So what are those attributes are? Interpersonal skills. I think you got on the next slide. Interpersonal skills, habit for success, communication skill, office and business etiquette, time management, and increasing efficiency. So just pause the video and think what kind of personality you possess. By answering the question, you will be able to identify what you are and need to focus on and can help you excel to develop your personality. So there is a short exercise, a little playful activity that I'm going to do with all my colleagues to know what kind of personality they are. For that, the IT team is going to serve a small survey to you. Please do the needful, IT team.
Participants, you have one link, the Google form in your chat box. It's already pasted there. So please go, you have 5 minutes time, fill the details, and thank you.
So the next topic which I'm going to start is with the beauty. Beauty means something different to different kind of people. The meaning of the beauty is influenced by our environment, surroundings, society, media, peers, culture, and experience. So when people think about beauty, we think about our physical, visual appearance. We all know beauty, but do we understand? So I must say, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Next slide, please. Beauty, according to me, can be divided into two types, external and internal. Beauty is accepting and embracing our unique interior and exterior qualities. According to me, God made us the way you are and for a reason. He loves you and encourages to love yourself. So, beauty defined. Well, the real beauty is not about the looks, the dress, or the things in your body like jewelries or accessories that you wear. It's not also about the color of your skin or the shape of your face or the body or the style of your hair. It's actually not about your physical appearance, but what it is, it's about your inner self. So why we encounter two questions like, we often feel, there's all of us, I'm sure, will think of whenever we look to someone and admire, we always say, why they are blessed with so many things, why aren't we? So my point is, viewers, please identify your uniqueness in yourself because everyone is different because for a reason. Next slide, please. So there is an author, Thomas Aquinas. He says that what are the conditions needed to be a beautiful person? So a person needs to have a clarity, integrity, and harmony. First of all, every living on earth has flaws. Please accept it, okay? If you see that, it's good. People with good inner beauties are recognized by others, and others will focus on their beauties and notice their flaws too. But just because that person is beautiful on inside, that flaws goes outside. And people who are insecure and negative on the other side will make looks and yourself in a negative way and are going to downgrade you. So makes you happy. Let's go. Give time to yourself and do it, whether it's going for a shopping, going for a massage, or whatever you love to do that. So you should, because until and unless you are not going to be happy, you're not going to be a beautiful person. And I must say that always be a first-rate version of yourself, not a second-rate version of someone else. Well, but this is a big surprise for all you guys. So we're going to start. We are talking on the topic of the beauty. So let's have a beautiful beauty tip. So here I am inviting Mrs. Maharashtra, she is a beauty expert, and we'll have a quick 2 minutes beauty mask for a glowing skin like me. So please invite Mrs. Durga Agrawal. Hi Durga, can you hear me? Please make yourself live, please. Your camera.
Hi.
Hi, just make your camera on, please.
Hello.
Hi, Durga ma'am. We can hear you. Can you just live your camera so we can see you also?
Okay. अभी ठीक है?
Durga, we cannot see you.
No, actually, no. Gayatri ma'am is saying she can see her, so maybe
Okay, fine.
getting maybe some
Durga,
from idea.
Okay, please start. Please give a live demo to our viewers with your amazing, beautiful mask, beauty mask.
अरे क्या?
अरे मार्क दिख रहा था लोग आपको देख.
Durga ma'am, we can see you. We can see you. Yeah.
We
please.
can see you, start, Durga.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Durga Agrawal and I'm filled in beauty 15 years. So हम लोग जानते हैं अभी पेंडेमिक है, तो उसके लिए आप लोगों के लिए एक सिंपल फेस पैक लेकर आई हूँ, जो कि ये मतलब घर में इजीली अवेलेबल होता है. आपको कहीं कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसके लिए आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ फेस पैक, जो कि आपको इंस्टेंट फेस ग्लो और फेयरनेस और फेस में अच्छा एक शाइन भी देगा. तो हम लोग उसके लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये दिया वन स्पून मैंने आलमंड पाउडर, जो स्किन को एक हेल्दी और पोर्स को एक नीट एंड क्लीन रखता है. और मैंने लिया कर्ड में स्किन को नरिशमेंट करता है और स्किन को हेल्दी भी रखता है. और मैंने लिया ये लेमन मैंने 3 से 4 बूंद रखा है, ताकि स्किन को एंटीऑक्सीडेंट भी देता है और स्किन को थोड़ा फेयरनेस भी करता है. और मैंने लिया कॉफी पाउडर, जो हमारे डेड स्किन को रिमूव करता है और स्किन को थोड़ा फेयर भी करता है. और मैंने लिया हनी 1 से 1.5 चम्मच. ये हमारी स्किन को नरिशमेंट करता है और एंटी बैक्टीरियल हेल्दी रखता है हमारी स्किन को. और ऐसे मैंने लिया 1 से 1.5 चम्मच बेसन, जो कि हमारी स्किन टैन को रिमूव करता है और एक अच्छा साइन भी देता है। तो हमें इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है। आप लोग इसको अच्छे से देख पा रहे हैं?
Yeah.
हमें अच्छे से इसको मिक्स करने के बाद हमें अच्छे से फेस में अप्लाई करना है और हमारा फेस अप्लाई करने से पहले फेस वॉश होनी चाहिए और वॉश करने के बाद फेस भी हल्का सूखना भी चाहिए कि ऐसे ही अप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए। तो आपको मैं हाथ में बताऊंगी बिकॉज फेस में बताने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि इसके लिए सूखने के लिए भी काफी टाइम लगेगा। तो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं फेस में कैसे फेस पैक अप्लाई करते हैं ये आपको बताती हूँ। जब भी हम कोई भी फेस पैक या क्रीम अप्लाई करते हैं इसका मकसद होता है हमारी स्किन को थोड़ा सा टाइट और रिंकल्स को थोड़ा बेनिफिट भी होना चाहिए, जो कि हम अभी मैं कैसे बताऊँ आपको। हम इस तरह से अप्लाई करेंगे जो हमारे साइड होते हुए ऊपर जाएंगे और साइड में फिर अपर लिप्स एरिया लगाएंगे, फिर नोज एरिया, फिर फॉरहेड। इस तरह से लगाने से जो हमारे लूज स्किन है वो थोड़ा टाइट हो जाएंगे, जो भी रिंकल्स है थोड़ा सा वो भी थोड़ा कम हो जाएंगे। इसके बाद हम अप्लाई करने के बाद हमने रखना है आधा घंटा। आधा घंटा रखने के बाद आपको इस तरह का स्प्रे मिलेगा जो कि ये थोड़ा सा रिंस करना, फेस में स्प्रे करना है। जो फेस पैक सूखने के बाद कड़क होता है तो हमें फेस को रगड़ना नहीं है, जस्ट लाइक राउंड मूवमेंट में मसाज देना है 3 से 4 मिनट। ये करने से हमारा स्किन में जो पिगमेंटेशन से जो भी दाग धब्बे है, सनबर्न से वो क्लीन हो जाएगा और हमारे स्किन क्लियर एक साइन भी दिखेगा। उसके बाद हम लेना है हॉट वाटर, उससे हमारे फेस को वॉश करना है। उससे क्या होगा हमारे पोर्स पूरा क्लीन हो जाएंगे और फेस भी थोड़ा फ्रेश लगेगा। उसके बाद हमें 2 से 3 मिनट हमें कोल्ड वाटर से इस तरह का एक कॉटन लेना है हमें और इसे हल्का सा जेंटल हमें फेस को वाइप करना है। इससे क्या होगा हमारे जो फेस के पोर्स है क्लोज हो जाएंगे और एक स्किन को एक फ्रेश फील भी होगा। ये हमारी स्किन हेल्दी रखने का एक सिंपल एक टेक्निक है।
दुर्गा जी, ये आपने स्प्रे जो यूज किया है वो क्या स्प्रे है?
ये आपको कोई भी मार्केट में मिल जाएगा, मिनिमम 30-40 रुपीज का मिलता है। क्योंकि जब भी हम कोई भी फेस पैक लगाते तो हमें स्किन को रब करना नहीं रहता है, जेंटली उसको मसाज देना रहता है। उससे क्या होगा हमारी स्किन टिश्यूज हेल्दी और उसको बंद बिल्कुल नहीं करना है। मोस्टली लोग एकदम घिसते रहते हैं तो वो ठीक नहीं होता है स्किन के लिए, वो अनसेफ होता है।
ये स्प्रे का नाम क्या है? हमारे व्यूअर्स पूछ रहे हैं कि
ये स्प्रे का ये वाटर स्प्रे है, मोस्टली ब्यूटी शॉप में आपको मिल जाएगा, इजीली अवेलेबल होता है।
Thank you, Durga ji, for giving us a beautiful tip for face. So moving on to our next slide, please. Now I'm going to present on the wellness front, IT team. Thanks, Durga.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me this and Pradeep sir, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Pradeep.
Thank you, sir.
So what do you mean by wellness? Wellness is a state of body, or wellness is a state of being. So viewers, what do you think wellness is all about? Next slide, please. See, I tell you, nowadays it has become a very important part because we are living in a world which is constantly changing. And as you know, we are heading towards where we are all inheriting all impurity stuff. So it's very important for us to take care of ourselves. And for that, you need to adapt healthy living. And for that, next slide, please. Wellness is an active process of becoming a social well-being and not merely the change of disease. Generally, people feel that if you are unwell, that means you are not wealthy. But I would like to differ from about being healthy or unhealthy. Wellness is being about a way of life. Next slide, please. So why wellness matters, as I told you earlier, that it has become a need for our survival nowadays. As you know, that pandemic is happening, and we see in the world that Indians are best when it comes to the immunity. So why? It's just because our culture is like that, our inheritance is like that, that we are more close to the nature and a little different for our artificial stuff. So that's how it's a very important thing. So what are the factors which are needed for the wellness? So they are near about 8 dimensions that we take in when the wellness comes. Next slide, please. Next. As I told you. Next slide, please. Next. So the first, we want to start with the emotional wellness. Relates to understanding your feelings and coping effectively with stress. That's what I mean with the emotional wellness. Because that's how it is needed in nowadays. Because people are very emotional, and we have cases, when they deal with all mental health issues and all that. So it's very important to take this as one of the serious subjects when it comes to wellness. Next, please. I'm a little faster because we hardly have time. Please, next slide, please. So financial wellness, what that includes? The process of learning how to successfully manage financial expenses. Money plays a critical role in our lives, and that's how we need to maintain, because everything comes with the money. So money wellness is also plays a very important role. Next slide, please. So social wellness, what do you mean by social wellness? We as a social animals have some roles that we play in our society, and for that we create an healthy environment among ourselves. Relationship with peers and your intimate relationship with romantic partners all leads to the development of a social wellness. Next slide, please. So vocational wellness is all about enjoying your occupational endeavors and appreciating your contribution. This dimension of wellness encourages personal satisfaction. Is one life. That's what we are all doing it on the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next slide, please. Intellectual wellness involves having an open mind. See, I always say that a person is defined by its company. So always like-minded people attract each other. So as far as possible, have a company, the people who are little open-minded, broad-minded, and most important should be positive, according to me. That's very important. Next slide, please. Now the spiritual wellness allows you to develop a set of values that help you seek meaning and purpose. Spirituality, generally people relate it with the religion and all that, but I must tell you, it's not always like that. Spirituality can be anything that you feel comfort doing it, It could be relaxation also. Next slide, please. Physical wellness as a role, maintaining a healthy body, taking care when needed, eating well, sleeping well. And I tell you, in today's world, the majorly problem with all of us is we hardly sleep properly. So guys, please concentrate on that point also. Well, the environmental wellness, as I said, is the way you live your lifestyle. So that also matters, that what kind of lifestyle are you leading, like, are you waking up early and sleeping early? So these are the old school, notions we have learned in our childhood. Can anyone quote that? Early to bed and early to rise makes the person healthy, wealthy, and wise, right? So this is all about. Next slide, please. So now, as we are talking about the wellness, so how about a really immunity booster wellness drink? Yeah. So here I invite my friend who is Mrs. UP for a wellness drink. So let's welcome Miss Anubha Jaiswal.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Anubha, you are audible. Yes, you are. Hi,
Okay.
welcome.
Hi. Good evening. Namaskar. आप सभी को. As she's already mentioned about myself, people who are talking so much about vocational training and welfare, I would also like to add on something. Since my husband has been in the army, I have been doing all such kind of vocational trainings and welfares throughout entire, I would say, in the whole country, because we go to different places और हम उन सभी जगहों पे जो सैनिकों की पत्नियां हैं उनके साथ अपना उनको इस लायक बनाते हैं कि वो अपने आप को इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ला के खड़ा कर सकें और आत्मनिर्भर बन सके, स्वावलंबी बन सकें और अपने को हर विषम परिस्थितियों में अपने आप को खड़ा कर सकें. So just a brief, आप लोगों के साथ I've heard a lot about vocational training and welfare of in the society. I also wanted to add on something about my social work or my welfare to the society. Without taking much of your time, she's already mentioned about this thing, immunity drink, which I would like to tell you about. इट्स एन इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर. आज जैसे कि हम कोरोना काल में ऑलरेडी फेस कर रहे हैं इतनी सारी चीजें, हमें अपने आप को स्वस्थ रखना हमारा प्रथम धर्म है, जिससे हम हर चीज को फाइट कर सकें, अपने तन मन को स्वस्थ बना सकें और इस संघर्ष की घड़ी में अपने आप को स्वस्थ रख सकें. सबसे पहले एक छोटा सा ड्रिंक है जो मैं आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगी और ये सब कुछ हमारे किचन में इजीली अवेलेबल होता है. सबसे पहले ये है हनी. हनी जो है हमारा बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट है इस ड्रिंक का. उसके बाद 1 टेबलस्पून हम हल्दी लेंगे, जो कि हल्दी हमारे सभी के घरों में इजीली अवेलेबल होती है. हम हल्दी, ये आप देख सकते हैं, हल्दी इजीली अवेलेबल होती है किचन में और एंटीसेप्टिक का काम करती है. इसका 1 टेबलस्पून लेंगे. 1 टेबलस्पून हम काली मिर्च लेंगे. काली मिर्च एवरीबडी नोज इज ब्लैक पेपर. इसका हम क्रश कर लेंगे, इसको फ्रेशली क्रश कर सकते हैं या हम पाउडर्ड काली मिर्च या ले सकते हैं. देन हम नींबू का रस, लेमन जूस, एज आई सेड वी हैव टू टेक अ टीस्पून ऑफ लेमन जूस. देन लेमन के जो छिलका है, द लेमन ग्राइंड्स आल्सो वी हैव टू टेक. 1 टेबलस्पून हम ये लेंगे. उसके बाद जिंजर एंड गार्लिक को हम ग्रेट करेंगे. जिंजर और गार्लिक को हम 1-1 टेबलस्पून ग्रेट कर लेंगे और फिर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज हम ये हमारे एक बोल में बेसिकली हम ये इसको हनी को पोर करते हैं. Two to 3 tablespoon of honey we take. उसके बाद 1 टीस्पून जिंजर एंड गार्लिक पेस्ट, लेमन ग्राइंड ऐसे ही 1 टीस्पून. देन ब्लैक पेपर, ये भी 1 टेबलस्पून हम ले लेंगे. एंड टर्मरिक, हल्दी, ये भी हम 1 टेबलस्पून ले लेंगे. ये सभी बेसिक चीजें हैं जो हमारे, और हम अब इनको मिक्स करेंगे अलोंग विद द लाइम जूस. तो ये बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो हमारे किचन में इजीली अवेलेबल होते हैं और हमारे लिए ये हर तरीके से नेचुरल हैं और फायदेमंद हैं और हमको ये शरीर में इन बीमारियों से, इन वायरसेस और बैक्टीरिया से लड़ने की शक्ति प्रदान करते हैं. फिर ये आप 1 से 1 हफ्ते के लिए भी बना के स्टोर कर सकते हैं किसी भी कांच की बॉटल में, और रेफ्रिजरेट करो तो ये खराब भी नहीं होगा। और अगर आप इसको एक बड़े मग में वार्म वाटर लेके इसका 1 टेबल स्पून अगर आप इसको दिन में रोज 1 बार पीते हैं तो आपको ये इम्यून करता है इन सारी डिजीजेस से और वायरस से जो कि हमारे आसपास काफी पॉपुलर हैं आजकल, जैसे कि कोरोना, वी ऑल नो। सो हमारा ये इम्यूनिटी ड्रिंक तैयार हो गया। एंड दिस यू कैन हैव एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग। मॉर्निंग इज द बेस्ट टाइम। वार्म वाटर में या ल्यूक वार्म वाटर में आप इसको लेंगे तो ये ज्यादा हेल्पफुल है आपके लिए। और जूसेस में भी आप इसको ड्रिंक कर सकते हैं, बट देन वार्म वाटर में लेंगे तो ये ज्यादा फायदेमंद होगा। तो ये इम्यूनिटी ड्रिंक आपको उन सभी रोगों से मुक्त करेगा जो आजकल हम जिस बहुत गंभीर रूप से प्रताड़ित हैं, कहूंगी मैं, प्रताड़ित हैं हम कोरोना को। और इसको हम हर आदमी यही दुआ करता है कि ये कब हमारे देश से और हमसे दूर भाग जाएगा। सो जैसे कि कहा जाता है, तंदुरुस्ती की रक्षा करता है इम्यूनिटी ड्रिंक, तंदुरुस्ती है जहां इम्यूनिटी ड्रिंक है वहां। Thank you so much, Arpita. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and Pradeep ji too. And thank you everyone. It's been a pleasure on this platform and sharing a place with the all Atma Bharat team, Atmanirbhar team. I'm sorry, India. So मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ, and it's been a delightful session. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thanks, Anubha. Thanks a lot, dear. So let's move into the other topic of mine. Well, moving to it. Well, as I covered the personality development, beauty, and wellness. Now, how can we use all these parameters to be Atmanirbhar? So, IT team, can we have the presentation, please? IT presentation, please.
अर्पिता जी, few second.
Yeah, please.
ये कहाँ है? वो कहाँ है? स्लाइड लाइए ना। वो जो बोल रही थी जिसके बारे में, अर्पिता, स्लाइड दीजिए ना।
Your voice is audible, Aarti.
IT team, you are live, please.
Sorry.
So just anyways, till the presentation starts. See, I would like to tell to all my viewers that we have basically with the beauty and wellness. Well, it started. So next slide, please. Start from how you can be an Atmanirbhar. Next slide, please. So giving an overview. Next slide, please. Giving an overview of the wellness and the beauty industry, I would like to tell you that there is a huge skill gap. You know, if you see 2013 to 2020, there is an increase of more than 80% when it comes to the beauty and wellness segment. And I would also like to tell you that there are 7 sectors which we've been included in beauty and wellness. Can we have the slide, please? Next, please. Yeah, as I told you, this is the market size graph that I have shown. Now, I would also like to tell you that with the Ministry of National Skill Development, there is a wing called Beauty and Wellness Skill Center, where the chairperson is Mrs. Vandana Luthra. She's also the founder of the VLCC. Now, she has made an online portal where she is certifying the people who wants to start their own entrepreneurial skills in beauty and wellness. You can have your fitness, you can have your beauty parlors, you can have coaching classes, anything related to that is available. So this is the site that you guys can go and check, because they are having an online education platform also, which for free. So in this COVID situation, if someone want a certification and the registration for themselves, then please go ahead. Next slide, please. Well, telling about their their organization, they have shown a graph where they have portrayed how many employments they have given to the people, how many training they have given to the people. So this is the broader picture that I have shown in a sense of a pictorial thing. Next slide, please. Now, coming to all the government schemes, I would also like to tell you that whomsoever wants to be Atmanirbhar, how you can be. So these are the schemes that government has launched so that you can start up your own wellness and beauty stuff. So what are the schemes? The first scheme that I would like to throw light is the stand up. Next slide, please. Stand up India. Next slide, please. Now, in this scheme, where the loan amount from 10 lakhs to 1 crore will be granted. Now, who wants to know about more can go to the site as I have specified over here and check. Time constraint, so I don't want to take you large. So, what are the Stand Up India schemes that have already been given? Then there is a Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program. In that, so there are benefits being given. Then there is a Mudra loan where it is already specified. Then there are the Mudra loan schemes. Then there is a thread schemes for women where it is 70% is being given as a loan to the entrepreneurs, where 30% they can loan invest in that. And the credit fees and training and coaching, they are the wings that is being defined there. Next slide, please. So the main objective of this scheme is to provide poor women with sustainable employment by developing their technical skills and entrepreneurial capabilities. Next slide, please. So that's it. That's how, as I specified, the Mudra schemes and all that. So these are the schemes. If anyone wants to know, can get in touch with Pradeep. So these are the benefits that's been offered through Mudra Yojana, which is basically for the women who wants to start a small enterprise like beauty parlors, tuition centers, and swing stuff. Next, please. So there is also a credit guarantee for micro and small enterprises. That is also specified, so you guys can go and check there also. So these are the features, but this is actually for established front who can opt to expand their business, so they can go for this scheme. Next slide, please. So guys, this is just the beginning, and in the end, I would like to say that never give up in life and be positive and keep smiling. That's it. So thanks, and I must thank Pradeep ji for giving me the opportunity to present my presentation with you all guys. Thanks. Stay positive and stay healthy. Thank you.
IT team, please mute others and let Gayatri madam to proceed.
One second. We have one video, so just 1 second.
Hi, this is Arpita Srivastav Rai, and I wish all my well wishers and thanks for their lovely wishes that I have received. Thank you.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer. Backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets back.
Amazing presentation, beloved Ajay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we need to summarize Arpita's through a quote. Like, I'm following. But I'm telling in English, not in Hindi. So
Please go ahead. We'll love to.
it is said that personality is to a human what fragrance is to a flower. As expected, today's session from Arpita ji was so beautiful, full of fragrance of a beautiful flower. Arpita ji, with the use of questionnaire and the great speakers, took us through the journey about the wellness, the types of wellness, and how we can bring Atmanirbhar into it, the possible occasions, and what all we can do and become an independent self-reliant person. Thank you so much, Arpita ji, for this lively and interactive session. Many thanks to you. And I must also thank Durga ji for the demo and wise words from Anba ji to maintain our wellness. So it was a really a beautiful combo. Thanks for all your efforts.